Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing well and staying fine and safe at your home. So welcome back to the another video of Adams High School. So our today's video class is of subject English and of class 5th. So let's get to know our today's topic. So yes, our today's topic is second lesson, The Balloon Man. So students, this is a story based upon a balloon man sneezing, and in this story there are 8 characters. One is balloon man, the other 5 are pet animals just like cat, dog, rabbit, etc. and 2 are a little boy and a girl. So students, this is a very funny story. So let's get started with our topic. So there was a balloon man who was standing near the playground, as you can see in the picture, and he was shouting loudly like balloons, colored balloons. So there was standing a rabbit, a cat and a dog who ran up to him to have a look at those beautiful balloons. Suddenly the balloon man sneezed. So students, do you know what is the meaning of sneezed? Yes. So students, here sneezed means a kind of sound making through nose. So even if we are suffering from cold, fever and all, so we will suffer from sneezing as well. So suddenly, after the balloon man sneezed 3 times, the 3 animals, rabbit, cat and dog, they have saw to each other in a very shocked manner. So they found that they have got changed their ears as well as their voice. So students, have you ever heard how does the cat, rabbit and dog make noises? So see here, how does the dogs do? How does the cats do? How does the rabbits do? So I hope you students have heard how these animals, pet animals make noises and make sounds. But because of this incident of sneezing of balloon man, they have got changes in their voices. So the 3 set out to find the balloon man, but on their way they met a very funny parrot, and the parrot had his beak on his head. So students, normally a parrot has his beak above his mouth on his face, but the parrot said a balloon man sneeze has done this to me. So those 3 pet animals said, come on, join us. And here the cat barked while saying, and why the cat barked like dog? Because of the sneezing of that balloon man. So they all gone to find the balloon man, and the parrot can't able to fly because of this damage of his wings. Because of the damage that happened to the parrot, it can't able to fly. So the dog offered the parrot to get on his back, and the parrot was so grateful and glad to do so. So the 4 came across a cock. So this cock had his tail on his head. As you can see in the picture, this cock has his tail on his head and his comb on his beak. So he too had suffered from the balloon man sneeze, and he also joins the 4 in their search for the balloon man. So their search party saw a boy. He had one shoe on his left and the other sticking out from the back of his head. So they asked, the balloon man sneezes did this to you? So the boy said, sure, it is because of the balloon man sneezing. So they offered the boy as well to come along with them, and they said that we are also going to find him. While they were going, they saw a little girl with her ponytail sticking to one of her ears. and because of this, she too joined their party. After a long way, they all saw an old house and they have heard a sneeze voice coming out of it. So they got to know that this is the balloon man's house, and they stood outside in front of the house and they start making noises, and because of this the balloon man opened the door and come out. The moment he saw them, he had a sneezing fit. So students, the balloon man got suddenly 7 continuous sneezes like this. So as you all have listened just now, the balloon man have got 7 back-to-back sneezing. After this sneezing, those all animals and as well as the little boy and a girl have got their voices back, and as well as their ears, and whatever got damaged have got repair again. And after this, before the balloon man could have another sneeze, they all have run away and left him. So students, this was a story, very funny story about a balloon man sneezing, and I hope you enjoyed it, and let's meet in another video. Till then, take care of yourself and take care of your health. Allah Hafiz.